How to fix Instagram glitch on any Android phone. Hello guys, so all what you have to do to fix the glitch is go to your phone settings like this, and now go to apps. Click on apps manager, and now click on apps again, and now scroll down like this until you find the Instagram option, and then click on the storage option right here, and after you click on it, it will take you to this page. Now all what you have to do here is click on clear data and clear cache, and after that go back and click on this force stop option as you can see right here, and then all what you have to do is go back. Now all what you have to do is restart your phone and then open Instagram, and the glitch is gonna be working. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end.